Hello everyone and welcome to Happy Saturday, a sort of a goodwill day on this channel where we kind of watch some fun stuff that people might enjoy and kind of brighten up your day on this lovely Saturday. If you like the content that you see today and sort of Happy Saturdays in general or anything that the Matthew May channel makes, we kind of upload daily here. Yeah, feel free to subscribe and kind of join us on the journey. But yeah, we're just bringing goodwill and happiness to everyone every single day. And today is no different. Today we're going to be reacting to 100% sportsmanship moments. Which should be pretty fun, to be honest. Yeah, let's get right into it. In 3, 2, 1. So he took him off the pitch. Okay. I hope all these aren't football like. Huh? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. It doesn't need to be much, just like a little bit of encouragement. Yeah, it's nice, just a bit of decency. Ah. Oh. Ah, no. Oh, no. Oh, no, he needed it in that moment. Wow. I hope his teammates don't take him out. I hope his teammates don't scrutinise him for that one. Oh, come on. There's got to be. These can't all be football, surely. Right. Okie dokie. Wow. How do these videos like find out about stuff like that? Did he accidentally knock him over? Oh my god, ads. Jesus Christ. Sorry, guys. Oh god, that. Oh no. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's the luckiest day of her life, that's for sure. Oh, imagine that, man. Best nosebleed of her life. All right. I don't understand the context, like. Okay. Oh, nice. Nice. I'll be honest, I don't think it's her. I don't think. Yeah, I was going to say, I don't think it's a grievance against her. I think it's a grievance against the kid, to be honest. I just don't get the context there at all. I was expecting more than just football clips, to be honest with you, but yeah. They're all just helping players that are injured, to be honest. It's nice to see, but. Oh, God. Oh, lovely. Is that a pigeon? Oh my god, I thought he was going to boo it there for a second. Oh no. Oh, that must be a horrible feeling. Right. I've heard. I'm pretty sure from what I've heard, he's just a lovely, lovely guy. Online by all sources. I missed what happened there. Why is the FIFA icon there? Just all of this is just them getting injured, to be honest. Not only is it only football, all of them are just football clips of people getting injured. I mean, you are just right. Okay, I don't really know about. Okay, I don't think an apology is just going to cut it that time. I'm afraid. Nice. He's going to kick it out play. Nice. Oh, it's in. Yeah. Oh, nice. It's just, you know, the ones I like the most are just the encouragement ones. That's it. Do you know when there's just mistakes and they're just encouraging them? Because it is a lot of pressure on the public stage. It is. Oh, nice. That's more of what I want to see. I don't just want to say the injured ones. Oh, that's nice. Oh. God, he gets all the bumps and bruises, does Mbappe. Yeah. One last bender. Oh my God, ads again. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh, okay, so it's okay then. Oh. Oh no. Oh, good, good, good. Oh God. I was really uncomfortable there for a second. I thought it was actually dead. Oh, what a game. What a game. Best game of football I ever saw. Or it's savable, but somehow it looked quite techy. Oh, good. Okay, that's forgivable. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Recognizing it immediately rather than just come back later because everyone's pressuring you too. That's fair. Brilliant. No, yeah. Yeah, brilliant. I mean, there's a hell of a lot of money involved in that decision, but yeah, fair play to him. Fair play. That takes guts. Real guts. Right, that ought to do it then, guys. Honestly, I did think there'd be more sports involved there, but it was just some nice sort of football and clips there. So I hope you've had a bit of fun there. But that's it for Happy Saturday. I'll see you guys next week. Yeah, so be kind, do your best, and always remember, you are enough. See you next week, guys. Bye.